Good morning and welcome again. Today we are going for the first service of our new Tata Altroz. I have got a call yesterday from the service center for first service, and this will be my first experience of Tata service. And before going in further for the video, what I like to say that I like to thank all my friends and followers and patrons who has helped me to reach 1000 subscribers in a very short time. Thank you friends, and I hope you will patronize my channel further. So without any delay, I am just leaving for the workshop, and this workshop is around 8 kilometers from my house, but within the city 8 kilometers during office hours driving is quite a harrowing task. So I decided to travel on a holiday. Today is Sunday, so hope there will be less rush, and let me experience the Tata service experience. So let's go. Finally, I have reached Tata Motors workshop, and this is the dealer's workshop from where I have purchased the car. Sunday, I find that nobody is there, the entire workshop is empty, and no service personnel has yet arrived at the service center. They asked me to park the car here and leave the vehicle. So I am parking my car here, and I will give you a walk around of this service center. This is how the workshop looks like. It's quite a big workshop. There are so many service bays you can find out. Some accident cars are also waiting here. I was told to park my car here, so I have parked my car over here, and still somebody is yet to arrive. So let me give you a walk around of this particular workshop. One Altroz is waiting here. I think it is for pre-delivery. I think this Altroz has come for pre-delivery. The number has not been given to this particular car. So let's, once the service starts, I will update. Service advisor has arrived already, and his name is, you are Mr. Ganesh, huh?
My name is Ganesh Kuria.
Ganesh Kiria. He has arrived, and he is looking at the car, and he will jot down all the details, and he is checking. So he will prepare the job card. The wiper sprayer needs to be adjusted.
Yeah, little bit is required.
It's quite on the lower side. And one thing, the problem I am facing is with this infotainment system. Once I turn the car, automatically the radio station changes, or if it is in a song mode, the song also changes. That is one thing, and it is the older firmware that I am having, so it needs to be updated
Okay,
also.
so let me check also.
And regarding the EQ firmware also, there is a lag in first and second gear I am facing. So please check that it has been updated to the latest. As you know, this will be my first Tata experience. All my previous 5 cars are from Maruti stable.
Okay.
So I wish the experience will be a favorable one and a
Definitely,
memorable
sir.
one.
Why not, sir?
Yeah.
I'm going to try a level test to provide you a good service, sir.
Okay. And as a YouTuber, I definitely will give thumbs up if I receive good service from you. I have definitely told what are the complaints I have, and he's looking into all the matters.
Sir, there in the body,
হ্যাঁ
sir.
হ্যাঁ,
Okay, nice.
yeah, okay, okay. কিছু হেয়ারলাইন স্ক্র্যাচ হয়ে গেছে আবার। He's taking all the pictures of the car, so that if any dents or scratches is there, so there is no dispute regarding this. So he's
अपने सनुष सजा का इंतकाल हो चुका है। इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना राजिऊन।
Okay, sir. Right now it's 10 o'clock. We are expecting to deliver the vehicle by 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So that today the costing is zero. No cost involved is there. So. Yeah, this one.
I can go and see this executive. His name is Ovishek and he will be looking after my car, and the vehicle is being taken to the service lift, and I don't have any such complaint rather than if any update is required for the EQ or the Harman system, and a minor adjustment for that wiper nozzles is required, and everything is okay. So let him see the vehicle and let's see how the first service is taken. Normally in first service only the car is brought to the service center for checkup only. If it is only taken into account if any repair or any something complaint is given by the customer, then it's being looked into. Otherwise in first service nothing is done, only checkup and washing, cleaning, and that's all. So he is just taking the car to the lift. আপনাদের অনেকগুলো সার্ভিস লিফট আছে দেখছি।
সব 4 পোস্ট লিফট আছে, কয়েকটা 3 পোস্ট লিফট।
এটা 4 পোস্ট,
এটা 4 পোস্ট লিফট।
অনেকগুলো আছে, সেটাই দেখছি। নিয়েছে? আপনারা এখন কিরকম ফিডব্যাক পাচ্ছেন, মানে এই টাটার যে নতুন জেনারেশনের গাড়িগুলো আছে, লোকে অনেকেই বলে যে টাটার গাড়ি, মানে এই কথাটা আমাকেও সত্যিকারই শুনতে হচ্ছে, যে আমাকে সেদিনও একজন পাশের বাড়ি এসে বলল যে প্রবীর তুমি কেন টাটা নিলে। তো আপনারা কিরকম, মানে এই নতুন জেনারেশনের গাড়িতে আপনারা কিরকম ফেস করছেন কাস্টমার ফিডব্যাক?
কাস্টমার পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউ থেকে আমরা যেটা দেখছি এবং শুনছি, এবং যেটা আমরা ট্রেনিং করেছি, আমরা গাড়িগুলোকে জানছি, রোজই দেখছি, কাজ করাচ্ছি, করছি।
ওকে।
তো তাতে টিল ডেট এবং আশা করব ভবিষ্যতেও জিরো ডিফেক্ট গাড়ি থাকবে। টিল ডেট জিরো ডিফেক্ট গাড়ি আমাদের অলট্রোজ, আমাদের নেক্সন, আমাদের টিয়াগো, টিগর, হ্যারিয়ার, নতুন যে নিউ সাফারি এসছে, তাতে BS6 যে ভার্সনগুলো এখন আমরা ব্যবহার করছি, জিরো ডিফেক্ট গাড়ি আছে। গাড়িতে কোনো রকম কোনো ট্রাভেল নেই, ড্রাইভিং কমফর্ট অনেক বেশি আছে, সেটা আশা করি আপনারাও ফিল করেছেন। আর অনেক প্রিমিয়াম সেগমেন্টের গাড়ি এখন আমাদের কাছে চলে এসছে উইথ ভেরিয়াস ফিচার্স। ইনফোটেনমেন্ট সিস্টেম আছে, টাচ স্ক্রিন নেভিগেশন সিস্টেম আছে, ইপ্যাস রয়েছে, ইলেকট্রনিক পাওয়ার অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সিস্টেম, গাড়ির ABS দেওয়া রয়েছে, এয়ারব্যাগ দেওয়া রয়েছে, অনেক কিছু গাড়িতে দেওয়া রয়েছে। এবং এই আজকের যে গাড়িগুলো আমরা ইউজ করছি, আপনি ব্যবহার করছেন, বাকি কাস্টমাররা ব্যবহার করছেন, এখন অবধি কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
He says the most of the new generation cars are totally hassle free and there are very few defects. Normally I can tell it's zero defect, and the customer feedback is very good, and especially all the new platform cars such as your Tiago, Tigor, then you have the Altroz, then Harrier, the Nexon. So there's very little complaint from the customers, and the cars are absolutely pleasure to drive. So everything is fine with the new generation cars. So the psychosis that existed with customers that Tata cars are troublesome, it's absolutely useless and absolutely baseless. You can go for Tata cars blindfolded. The car is being taken on the lift. The car has been lifted with the help of a 4-post lift. Now let me show you the undercarriage. I have driven very carefully, so there is no hits or anything like that. And let me show you the undercarriage of the car. The chassis part, it's robust if you can compare with other competition cars. The suspension areas, it is being checked whether any bolts or anything are loose or any abnormality is there. Normally all this checkup are taken in the fast service. The undercarriage is absolutely fine, no hits, no bruises, there is no hit anything, and the undercarriage is absolutely perfect, and there are no leakages from any oil, either your sump oil. There is no leakage. The sump, if absolutely it's okay. Rest part, everything is fine. Okay, these are the brake lines, fuel lines. All are perfectly all right. Clipped up the coolant position. If any top up is required, top up লাগবে না is checking the coolant position. একবার ইঞ্জিন অয়েলটা একবার একটু করে দেখিয়ে দাও। Checking the engine oil level. If any top up is required, no, it's not at all required. Absolutely perfect. Yes, it's absolutely perfect. In this way you can also check your own engine oil position and coolant position if required at all. Now he will be checking the battery specific gravity, if any battery water top up is required or not. আচ্ছা তোমরা এখানে টার্মিনালে স্প্রে করো না?
এটা ওয়াশিং
ওই যে নীল রঙের যে, so he will be checking the battery specific gravity. বড় ব্যাটারি লাগে। In this way he is checking whether the battery cells and electrolyte position is okay or not. এটা কি জলের টপিং দরকার লাগে?
না এখন লাগবে না।
So the battery checkup is complete. Now he will check the cranking amps of the battery.
মাস
So it will show the cranking amps taken.
এইদিকেটা না ওইদিকেটা মাছ লাগে
Checking the alternator voltage and cranking amps with the help of multimeter. Now with headlight on he will also check the voltage. Checking all the lights. Now he will be checking my EQ firmware. Lot of persons was asking me that since it is January make model, whether it's AL03 or AL04. So I told them that when I will visit the service center, I will be able to tell whether it's AL03 or AL04. So my service engineer is attaching with the OB. হ্যাঁ ওইটা একটু অ্যাডজাস্ট করতে হবে ওয়াইপার দুটো। So he will be connecting his laptop with the OBD port. He's trying to check. Let's wait. The system is initializing.
এটা আরেকটু নামবে বাঁদিকে।
হ্যাঁ কারণ আমার হাতে জল চলে আসছে। Now it has been connected and he is checking the firmware option. The system is connected now. You see in today's generation how the vehicles have advanced. It's just like a phone, you can check your firmware, you can update it. So it's real fun. না we couldn't think of all these things. মানে You see, I have seen the entire evolution from carbureted cars to fuel injected cars. Then there was some mechanical injection system was introduced, but that was not available in India.
সফটওয়্যার AL04
AL04 আছে না, ওটা একটু দেখিয়ে দিই।
version of calibration file program AL04
Okay, the software is AL04.
already updated.
It's already updated, so no update is required. So a bit of satisfaction that the car has been dispatched with the latest software, so no update is necessary. It's been driven to the wash bay and the car will be washed. It will be a shampoo wash, the inside will be vacuumed and clean, and finally they will wash the engine bay also. They will washing has started. First he will clean the mats. All the mats are being cleaned. The undercarriage area. Now a little bit of shampoo wash, so all the dirt and grime that has collected on your car will be cleaned. They are scrubbing with the automotive shampoo and microfiber cloth, so the chances of getting hair scratches is minimum. So now it will be ready for delivery. Washing is the cleaning is complete. Now they will wipe, clean and dry and finally deliver the car. A Tata Tigor electric vehicle is being ready for delivery. It has come for final inspection and PDI by dealer. I was lucky to get a glimpse of electric vehicle. Let's see how it looks from inside. Yes, it almost looks like a IC engine car from inside. There is the power cable, and let's see. Yeah, there is the traction motor, and it's clearly mentioned that it is an electric vehicle. Was lucky enough to see an electric vehicle from such a close position. I think the traction motor is below this particular cover. First time I see somebody has gone for a electric vehicle.
Okay. Part of the first service, all the things has been checked out. The top of this is required to be done, and then the general washing cleaning, sir. Okay. We have service of the battery, but it's a recommendation to get the battery service every quarterly from the nearest ML service center. Okay. As per your wish, your battery card, you can get directly from the ML service center, sir. Okay. There is no charge. And the battery warranty is 18 months, sir.
Oh, that is for 18. In fact, service center told me it's for 1 year, but I was a little confused regarding that.
Well, there is some confusion right now prevailing.
Okay.
Someone is saying 12 months, someone is 18 months.
Okay.
So the clear picture will be get assessed after some period of time, sir.
Okay.
There's various function right now. Someone is saying 12 months because ultimately the battery is a vendor's warranty, sir. It's a MM. So whatever warranty will be there, you will get information later on, sir. Second, one more thing, sir, in the engine compartment, if you want to get vehicle washed from the outside, make sure you don't put directly water in the engine compartment, sir. It's not advisable because there is sensor part is running in the part term. If the water gets that sensor damaged, the warranty will be void, sir. So it's not advisable to get the water wash directly in the engine compartment, sir. This is a battery, this is a windshield fluid. If required to be top up, can be done. This is a brake oil, sir.
Acha, brake oil that you are using, is it .4 or .3?
No, sir. .4,
Dot
not
four.
.3.
Okay.
.3 is totally abolished right
And
now.
which brand you are using now?
You can use Castrol, any brand, sir.
I have got EC Star, that is.
No, you don't use any brand from your side, sir.
Okay.
Because it's a part of the warranty.
Okay. No, I
Because-
just asked.
No, that's why I was telling you.
Okay.
Because if you are pouring any sort of lubricants from your side,
Okay.
if any problem passes in the vehicle, at that time the warranty is going to void, sir.
Okay.
Whatever liquid you want to top up, get
Okay.
it up from the dealership, sir.
Okay.
Because we're going to provide you the bill, it will be another system, sir. So okay.
Oh, I can purchase if brake fluid is required directly from you.
Well, sir, basically brake fluid is not required to be top up without
Until and
any
unless there is a
further
leakage. Yes.
And as per service schedule, if anything is required to top up, we're going to top up. Any change is required to be done as per the service schedule, we're going to change that part. Rather than the leakage, brake fluid not required to be changed fully, sir.
Okay, I understand. And what is the interval in my other cars? The interval of changing the brake fluid was 2 years, and in case of Tata,
Same.
Same, 2 years.
3 years for the coolant and the brake fluid for the 2 years.
So in that car, coolant was also for 2 years.
No, right now the new vehicles all are coming for the 3 years, sir.
Okay.
Older one it's 2 years, not
Okay.
all done 3 years, sir. So should I close this part, sir?
And one thing regarding the coolant, is there any Tata genuine brand coolant, or if it at all requires to be topped up?
Well, sir, you have a service book over there. 3 specific company name was provided, sir.
I should stick to them.
Yeah, you should still want that
Okay,
particular brand,
that's
sir.
that's done.
Should I close this part, sir?
Yes.
Okay. The second complaint, the first one has been completed. The second complaint was with the muffler. The muffler has been tightened properly, sir. Have a look. It has been tightened properly both the sides. Sir, you have told us for the jockey, it's already AL04, sir. So no need to get updated, sir. Common system, no official is till now. The version which you have got, it's the last version from our end, sir. If in the meantime the Tata Motors get the launch the new version, we are currently going to update and the vehicle reporting for next service, sir. Wiper nozzle, that has been adjusted, sir. Have a look, sir. The vacuum pad has been done completely. This is our toolkits, the spare wheel. The vacuum part has been done completely, sir. Just a minute, sir. Now the vacuum part has been done completely, sir. There is no dust in the vehicle. The seats have been cleaned. The door tags have been cleaned, sir, completely, sir. All these are the basic things we used to do the first service, sir.
Okay.
Hopefully you are satisfied with our service.
Yes, sir. I'm satisfied.
And I'm hoping that we get a good feedback from your side,
Definitely, I will
sir.
give you a good feedback.
I'm waiting for you for the second service as soon as the vehicle runs out.
Okay.
Meantime, sir, you have my number in the service book.
Okay.
If you find any difficulty while driving at any time, you just call me, sir. We're going to help you at any time, sort of thing, sir. Okay, sir. Once again, sir, thank you for providing us such an informative sir. Thank you so much again, sir.
আপনাকেও থ্যাংক ইউ আপনি
Thank you,
আমাদের এই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন
নেই, definitely.
তার কারণে আপনাদের এটাতে ফিডব্যাকটা ভালো দিতে হবে
স্যার বলেছি আমাকে অভিষেক দিয়ে আমি নিয়ে নিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, কারণ-
Actually, আমি পার্সোনাল মোবাইল দিয়ে করবো।
হ্যাঁ কারণ কেন সবাই বলেছে টাটা নিলে টাটা সার্ভিসিং ভালো না বা এরকম কিছু
ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখুন আমার তো পাঁচ অঙ্গি এক সামান নেই।
হ্যাঁ।
হতেই পারে কি অন্য কোথাও উনি যে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স পেয়েছে ভালো পায়নি। আমরা চেষ্টা করছি কি কাস্টমারকে যত ভালো আমি সার্ভিস দিতে পারি নাকি আমি দেবো। হ্যাঁ, আমি এজ এ লে পার্সন কোনো মিস্টেক হলে আমি ক্ষমা চাইবো, বাট চেষ্টা এটাই করবো কি আমি আপনাকে ভালো
হ্যাঁ
সবসময়।
ঠিক আছে।
আসুন স্যার,
থ্যাংক ইউ
So that's it, and the delivery and the fast service is complete. And so thank you very much, friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.